Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a cool way to earn rewards just by exploring your local area and sharing your experiences. We're talking about becoming a Google Maps local guide. Step 1. Sign up. First, you need to join the Google Local Guides program. Open Google Maps, tap on the Contribute tab, and then hit Join Local Guides. Sign in with your Google account and choose your level of contribution. Step 2. Contribute content. Start by adding reviews, photos, and updates about places you visit. The more detailed and helpful your reviews, the better. Share your experiences, rate places, and update information. Step 3. Earn points. Every time you contribute, you earn points. These points help you level up and unlock various perks, like early access to new features or special badges. Step 4. Get rewards. As you progress, you can earn exclusive rewards, such as discounts, invites to special events, or even Google merchandise. It's a fun way to get recognized for your efforts. And that's it. Start contributing to Google Maps today and enjoy the rewards of being a local guide. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Follow the video description box and find ways to earn more money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If there is any serious problem and you want urgent solution, then contact me directly via WhatsApp. My team will guide you. Thanks for watching.